Hello all, hope you are doing good. So it's a long gap actually. We haven't posted any videos for the past 1.5 months and really sorry for that. So hereafter we will post the videos regularly. Okay. See if you are preparing for CSIR, GATE, IIT JAM, then this video is for you guys. Okay, I hope this video will be really helpful for you because in this video we haven't discussed any specific topic, but instead I have given you the preparation tips, how to prepare, how to approach any competitive exam, not only the CSIR GATE, IIT JAM, but for any competitive exams you can use these tips. Okay, how to approach the examination and those things we are going to discuss in this video. So okay, first of all, for CSIR aspirants, you have 6 months because you will have an exam in the month of June 2024. Okay, and for those who are preparing for the GATE, I am aiming for the students those who are giving an attempt in the year 2025. Okay, not this upcoming 2024 because you have only 1 month, right? So we are going to start our preparation. We are now together a family and we are going to give an attempt and you are going to clear the examination. Okay, this is what is our aim. So I'm aiming for the students those who are willing to give an attempt in the year 2025, GATE 2025 and IIT JAM 2025. But CSIR students, you have 6 months. 6 months preparation is enough for you to crack examination if you have clear idea. Okay, if you have clear strategy and if you are focusing and if you are working hard, definitely you can crack the examination within 6 months. So you have 6 months now. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, is the first thing, you have to know your syllabus. Okay, here I have given you some points, right? I hope these points will be really helpful for you guys, right? First thing, you must know your syllabus, right? You can download your syllabus from the website. If you are CSIR aspirant, you can search the syllabus in the website, and first of all, you should know what are the topics that I have prepared. I have to prepare. Okay, this is the first thing. First of all, know the syllabus. These are all the topics I should cover. Okay, next one, select the topics. How to select the topics? See, no one can, cover all the 100% of syllabus. Okay, no one can cover 100% syllabus, and it is not advisable also because you will take a long time, right? So you have to select the topics that are having high weightage. Okay, this is what is you have to do. If you have covered 70% of the syllabus, it is enough to crack any examination. Okay, so first of all, after knowing the syllabus, you write the topics that are having high weightage. Definitely I will tell you what are the topics that you have to study that are having high weightage, but now I'm just telling you. Okay, in the next video I will tell you what are the topics that you have to cover, what are the topics that have high weightage. Okay, so if you see the previous questions, you will come to know the topics that are having high weightage. For example, if you are preparing for CSIR, definitely organometallic coordination in inorganic, and reaction mechanism, naming reactions, reagents in organic, and quantum and physical spectroscopy in physical. These are the very topics that are having high weightage. Okay, similarly for JAM students, you are having coordination, that is D block elements, transition elements, this that is having high weightage in inorganic. So likewise you have to select the topics. Okay, some people may like inorganic. Okay, some people may like organic, so go for the topics that you like the most. Okay, if you are in a very beginning stage of preparation, then definitely these points will really help you. Okay, know the syllabus, select the topics, okay, that are having high weightage. You have to cover those topics first. After that you can go for the topics that are having minimum weightage. Okay, this is what you have to do. This is second point. Then third point, you have to prepare your own notes. Don't depend on others. Okay, don't go for the notes and don't ask for the notes from others. You prepare your own notes. It is better because if you are preparing your own notes, you know what is important. Because how to prepare notes? First of all, how to prepare notes? You have to read the books. Okay, Either you can do this way. Actually, preparing notes has two ways. Okay, number one, you can go through books. Okay, the reference book textbooks that you have. Okay, first of all, see, like this, for coordination, Ajay Kumar, or for organometallic, BD Gupta, Elias, these are all the books you have to refer. So if you are referring those books, if you are reading those books, you can know that this point is very important and I have to write this point, this I should keep in my mind. So likewise, you have to prepare your own notes. Okay, one is reading your books and preparing your notes. Another one is you can watch the videos and take the notes. But many people are doing the mistake that they are watching the videos but they are not taking the notes. Okay, see, you can follow any two ways. For example, you can read the books and take the notes. Otherwise, you can watch the videos or take the notes. Anyway, you have to prepare your own notes. It is very, very, very important. Okay, you have to prepare your notes so that you can easily revise. See, I always recommend students to revise regularly. So if you are studying today and you are not at all revising, what will happen? Definitely you will forget all the points, right? So you have to revise your notes. It is very, very, very important than studying. Revising is very important. Okay. So then, okay, I have prepared my own notes. What I have to do next? Solve the previous year questions. Okay, you have to prepare your notes, or after watching the videos, you have to prepare notes. After taking the notes, study well. Okay, study that particular topic. See, you have to split the topics, not you have to study fully like today I have to complete the coordination. Definitely no, you can't. Okay, split the topics. In coordination, I will study this topic today, I will study this topic today. Likewise, you have to split. Okay, so after doing that, solve the previous year questions after completing your notes and after studying. Okay, after studying, definitely you have to solve the previous year questions. It is very, very, very important for you guys. Okay. Many people are doing the mistake, they are studying well, even some people are revising, but they won't work out the previous year questions. See, without solving the previous year questions, it is very tough to approach the examination. Okay, if you are solving all the previous year questions, definitely you will get an idea and you will do really well. Okay, you will do really well in the examination hall. So here I strongly recommend you people to solve the previous year questions. First of all, topic wise. See, you shouldn't go for the previous year questions like I am going to take the 2011 year and I am going to solve it. Okay. First of all, if you are studying coordination today, you have to work out the previous year questions coordination in the topic coordination. There are many topic wise previous year questions, solved previous year question papers, so you can buy it, or even in our video also we are posting the previous year questions in that particular topic. Definitely, if you have watched my videos, you would have known this, right? After teaching, I will definitely solve the previous year questions regarding that video. So that is what you have to do. After studying 2 to 3 topics, you shouldn't go for the previous year questions like 2011 I'm going to solve the entire 2011 question paper. Definitely no, it will lower your confidence because you have studied 2 or 3 topics and you are approaching the total question paper. Definitely you can't do. Okay, so kindly do the topic wise previous year questions. Like today, if I have completed my organometallic, like I have 1 week I have taken the time and I have completed organometallic, then I have to work out the previous year questions in organometallic. Okay, this is how you have to study, you have to work out, right? So after finishing all the topics that you have written, firstly I told you, no, select the topics what you have to study. So after completing all the topics, now you can go for the entire previous year questions. You can go. Okay, you can solve all the previous year questions. Like you can set an alarm for 3 hours and you can do. See, today if I am taking my 2015 question paper, I can set an alarm for 3 hours and I can work out, right? So this is how you have to approach. Okay, in the very first, if you have taken the entire previous year questions and solved, definitely you have covered 2 to 3 topics and you are not able to do that and it will lower your confidence. Hence, first you have to do the topic wise questions. After that, you can go for the entire full previous year questions. Okay, so solve the previous year questions. Then what can I do? Yeah, I have solved the previous year questions. Learn from the mistakes. This is very important thing. See, if you are solving the previous year question and you are getting a mark 50% of the marks initially, okay, in the initial stage of your preparation, if you are solving the previous year question, you are getting only 50% of the marks. Don't worry. See, you have to repeatedly do the same. Next, you have to solve the previous year questions. Then you can get 70% of the score. Likewise, you have to go. Okay, so learn from the mistakes. So, what are the things that you're doing wrongly? Choose those questions and try to find out the mistakes that you're doing. Okay, correct it. Again, once again, you do the same question. Now, if you are able to correct it, if you are doing it correctly, then it is well and good. Okay, this is how you have to do. So, if you are solving the question, you are having a doubt, then clear it immediately. You have to find out the answer for that and learn from the mistakes. Okay, these are the things that you should do. See, some people can do mistakes in time management. So those things, okay, I'm weak in time management, I have to improve it. Likewise, you have to learn from the mistakes. Okay, then having doubts, clear it. See, if you have studied a topic and you have solved the previous questions and still you are having a doubt in that particular question, then if you are not able to approach it properly, kindly clear it immediately. Okay, clear it immediately. You can seek the help of your staff members, right, your faculties or your friends or your seniors or with me. Okay, so if you are having doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I will definitely guide you and will help you. Okay, you can contact me through my email id. Okay, in this video also I have given my email id. You can mail me. Okay, I will definitely solve the answers and will give it to you. Okay, I will help you. So, next one, practice makes a man perfect. See, if you are solving the previous question, it is well and good. I told you, no, it is very important role. It is playing a vital role in your examination. Okay, solving the previous year question is very important than anything. First, after studying, you have to work out the topic wise question paper. After completing 70% of the topics, you should go for the entire solving, entire previous year questions. So you have to take specifically 1 year, pick out 1 year question paper and solve all the questions and see your marks. Okay, likewise, you have to practice all the solved question papers. Okay, all the previous year questions. If you do so, definitely it will boost your confidence. Okay, I have done this much questions and I know how to approach the questions. Okay, this will definitely give you a confidence while going for examination hall. Okay, so these are all very important things that you should keep in your mind and follow for your preparation, right? So in the next video I will tell you what are the important topics that you must cover. See, I can't tell you that they are important. See, every topic is important. Each and every topic is very important. And weightage topic, though, those topics that are having high weightage, right? So I will give you what are the topics that are having high weightage for NET students, JAM students, and GATE students. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful. If your friends are preparing for any competitive exam, because it is not only for chemistry, for CSIR, GATE, IIT JAM, this is for all the competitive exams. So if your friends are doing or preparing for any competitive exam, then kindly share with them. Okay, so these are the things that you should keep in your mind, these 8 points, right? I hope this video will be really helpful for you because 2 to 3 people have commented that put in video for IIT JAM 2025, put in schedule for that, like that. So I have made this video. First of all, what are the things that you have to do? That is very important, right? So hence I have made this video. Yeah, together we are family. So we will hope for the best and we will do our preparation and let us crack the upcoming examination. Okay? See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.